It's the kind of exhibit that requires more than just a quick walkthrough. You can spend a great deal of time looking through everything, especially if you already know something about the process or the equipment, because then you realize more about what's going on. I retired a year ago from teaching 35 years at ASU in the School of Art, and I taught in the printmaking area. Within printmaking, I specifically taught book art. That included paper making, book making, and printing. Before coming to ASU, I taught 5 years at other schools. This exhibit originated in England at the University of the West of England, where they have a center for fine print research. And in 2008, I took a sabbatical leave, and I was at the center as a research fellow. I got to know the people there and the methods that they use. They investigate all kinds of applications of print media, especially related to industrial applications. So they do a lot of printing on ceramics, for instance, and they give advice to industries who are doing that. But they also work with artists. They have been examining digital print media for some time now. They have funding from Hewlett-Packard, a lot of equipment there, and so artists come in to work with them and their digital equipment, and they collaborate. So the artist may not know how to run the equipment or even what the capability of it is, but they have trained people on staff who are very good at those things. And so when we say collaborate, that means the artist and the technician get together, and together they create these works of art. So the technician allows the artist's ideas to become real and helps the artist realize whatever their vision is, quite often contributing suggestions and their own ideas to the process. So this exhibit originated there, and they wanted to show the results of a number of these collaborations. But they also wanted to allow the viewers to see not just the final artwork, but also the process that happened to get to the artwork. So that's why all of the pieces that are on the wall have support material hanging that you can page through, proofs from the machines, color studies, sketches, and some of them have text where they explain what the artist was looking for and how they got there. A lot of digital printers, very high-end digital print. Some 3D printing has been used, and there were actually some elements that are part of the show that didn't come with the traveling boxes that were 3D printed things. They do laser cutting. There are some woodcut matrices that were cut with laser for traditional printing with ink on paper. With the onset of a lot of the digital technology, what we've basically done is added more processes to the vocabulary of artists. So there are artists who, yes, they're doing traditional things, painting or carving wood and casting metal, but a lot of those people, especially younger artists, but older artists too, are using digital media to work through ideas and get to the point where they can do traditional processes. The students that we have now are so comfortable with all kinds of digital media that they can think through it to an end product. They get the training in traditional media, and then they can apply it in any number of ways. We're seeing lots of crossover.